Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So after seeing the chart, what do you think? This candles will fall further, or there will be a reversal or breakout? So that we'll see in the technical analysis. I'm talking about this cryptocurrency, that is ETH coin or Ethereum coin, and you can see I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, so continuously the candles are taking support at this level, and this is the resistance trend line. So continuously the candles are taking resistance at this level. So after the candles are taking resistance here, the fall happened. Candles came down to the support, and then it went up, fall again, it went up. Now the fall is taking place. So if you go to the weekly chart, you can see previously you can see candles were moving in an upward direction. So you can see, if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support. Okay, and then the fall started. So this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are falling, and currently you can see candles are near to this resistance level. Okay, and if there is a breakout happens, then candles may start moving in upward direction, or else it will fall to the support level. Okay, so if you go to the daily chart also, you can see very close to the resistance level. Okay, and if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, and after the fall the candles went up, fall happened again, the candles have gone up. Now you can see currently the candles are falling, and if it falls to the support level, and if the breakout happens, then candles may move like this, or else the candles may come to support and then it may move up. Okay, so currently you can see candles are falling. So if you go to the 4-hour chart, you can see continuously the candles are falling towards the support level. Okay, so like this, in it will fall, and after the breakout only you will see a rally, and it may go first to this resistance level. If the breakout happens, it may go to this resistance level, that is around 5k. Okay, and if the breakout doesn't happen, then it may fall to the support level. Okay, here it may come, and the support is around 1900. That is the support here. Okay, if the fall happens, it may come down to support, or else it may go up. So we need to wait for the fall, and you can see continuously the sell is going on, and you can see RSI is also showing the same thing. The continuously it is falling. That means the downtrend is going on. When the reversal takes place, then you may see a breakout, or if it stays in the oversold zone, then you may see the candles will break this support, and then it may start falling towards this next support, which is over here, and then after this it may go up to this resistance level, and then fall may take place. So like this it is moving in this channel pattern. You can see that very clearly. If you go to the weekly chart also, you can see continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $3,118. Market cap is $376 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $21.22 billion. It is down by 7%, and the total supply you can see is around 120 million ETH coin, and the circulating supply is 120 million ETH coins. So these are the details, and you can see the rank is around 2 position. Around 3 million users are following this cryptocurrency. So now I'll go to the chart. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. If there is a breakout happen, it may go up, or it will fall to the support, and from here if the breakout happens, it may go to the resistance level. So previously also you can see candles have come down to support level. After the breakout, you can see candles have gone up, and then it has gone to the resistance level, and then continuously the fall is happening. So you can see that very clearly. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.